Is your Face ID not recognizing you anymore? Whether it's software glitches or camera issue, I will show you how to troubleshoot Face ID and get it working again. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for solving tech issues. In today's video, I will cover everything you need to do to fix your Face ID on your iPhone. Start by cleaning the TrueDepth camera at the top of your iPhone. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the lens. Dust can interfere with Face ID ability to recognize your face. Face ID might also struggle if your face is obstructed. Remove sunglasses, face masks or anything covering your face. Ensure your face, nose and mouth are fully visible to the camera. Make sure you are in a well-lit area. Poor lighting can sometimes confuse Face ID, especially if shadows are covering part of your face. Restarting your iPhone can be the quick fix you need. Restarting your device can clear up any temporary glitches you have with your phone. If Face ID still doesn't work, head over to Settings, navigate your way to Face ID and Passcode. Next, you click on Reset Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up again. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version by going to Settings, then you navigate your way to General, and then Software Update. If none of these steps work, there may be an hardware issue with the TrueDepth camera. Visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider. And that's all for today. If these steps help, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.